Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to calculate this expression 20 divided by 1/2 then divided by 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. We work from left to right. So 20 divided by 1/2. According to KCF rule, KCF, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. According to this rule, 20 divided by 1/2 can be written as 20 times 2, then divided by 2. Here we work from left to right. First, 20 times 2. 20 times 2 equals 40, and 40 divided by 2 equals 20. So our final answer to this problem is 20.